Welcome to today's video. We have an exciting topic for you. AutoGPT, the groundbreaking AI technology that's taking the industry by storm. Imagine an AI that can not only generate text or code, but can also run itself. Intrigued? Stick around and we'll explore the world of self-prompting language models and their incredible potential. Understanding self-prompting. So, what exactly is self-prompting or auto-prompting? It's a new trend in generative AI where the language model develops and executes prompts that can lead to new prompts based on an initial input. This approach becomes truly powerful when combined with tools such as web search or the ability to test written code. The language model evolves into an automatic assistant that can do much more than just generate text or code. The future of auto orgs. OpenAI developer Andrzej Karpathy envisions a future of auto orgs where organizations are made up of autok, EOS, autok, FOs, and so on. In this scenario, one GPT call is like one thought, and stringing these thoughts together in loops creates agents that can perceive, think, and act, their goals defined in English in prompts. Introducing AutoGPT. The most popular self-prompting example at the moment is the experimental open-source application AutoGPT. According to the GitHub team, this Python application is designed to independently develop and manage business ideas and generate income. AutoGPT's capabilities. AutoGPT is a powerful AI tool that plans step by step, justifies decisions, and develops plans, which it documents. In addition to integrating GPT-4 for text generation, the system has internet access for data retrieval, can store data, and can generate speech via the 11 Labs AI. Self-improvement and bug fixing. What's even more remarkable is that AutoGPT is supposedly capable of self-improvement and bug fixing by generating Python scripts via GPT-4. Imagine the possibilities of an AI system that can improve itself and fix issues without any human intervention. The potential of AutoGPT is immense. Think of the applications across industries, from automating business processes to optimizing supply chain management, or even revolutionizing software development. The possibilities are endless. There you have it. AutoGPT is a game changer in the world of AI and has the potential to revolutionize industries. As this technology continues to develop and mature, we can only imagine the incredible advancements that lie ahead. If you're as excited about AutoGPT as we are, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge AI news and insights. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts on AutoGPT and its potential applications in the comments below. See you in the next video!